Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days.
Good morning. How are you, my loves? How are you doing? Another bright day. I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing and joining the family. Yeah. So guys, this is I've just woken up. It's on Wednesday in the morning and I'm starting off the vlog. So this week I don't have much. Yeah, I don't have so much, but I'll be sharing with you some of the things that I'll be doing today and the rest of the week. Yeah, so this is my second vlog, guys. Tell me down on the comment section, what do you think about the vlogs? Yeah, because I said earlier I've not been doing vlogs, so I'm just starting off with them. So I hope you enjoy. Yeah, welcome. So guys, before I do anything, I'm going to have my breakfast. Yeah, so this is what I'm having, and tea. Okay, so yeah.
Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine.
Hi guys. So guys, do you guys buy things on TikTok? I mean from TikTok, whatever. So do you guys buy things from TikTok? Because for me, I feel like that is a space that I've discovered recently, and I feel like the things that I purchase from TikTok are quality. I don't know what you think. So if you've purchased something from TikTok, tell me in the comment section, how was your purchase? Like for me, so far so good. I can say I've like really gotten quite good things at an affordable price. Yeah. So I wanted I'm just going to show you the few things that I got from TikTok. So I wanted grater, and as I was just on TikTok, I saw someone selling very nice one. So when I saw it, I remembered, hey Sina, look at what a sister has been using. Guy, okay, this one, it has really served me. Lakini we ilitokana the outer part, and because sikuwa may get another one, I just said, you know what, I'll be bending you and still using you until I replace you. So I replaced that, and look at that, guys. This is so beautiful. Imagine this one was going for 200 shillings, and it is beautiful. And one thing that I've realized from TikTok, when they display their things, like they appear to be small, but ukipata what you ordered, hey, unashtuka uko like, wait, this is so big. Like this thing, I thought it was just like a small thing. You see, this is small, so I thought it was just like a small thing, but because I needed one, I ordered for one. Where ikifika, look at that, big. Hata sijui kama this camera is also doing justice. It's so big and I love it so much. Quality XUK, yani man, that is a purchase I liked. Also, I wanted something to bake and I've been looking for something on Easy Shops, the XUK, and I don't know why baking stuff are so expensive, guys. So places nilikuwa natembea naona it's quite expensive, but again this woman was selling also this one and I said let me just get it. Guys, look at that, only for 350 shillings, and it's so, yani one thing about hizi vitu ni kubwa. Like this one, I never thought it could be this big, aki. Like me, when I was purchasing and the display during the live, nilikuwa naona tu ni kitu ndogo. Hata mimi nilikuwa tu nataka tu just like a small thing for baking hivi kidogo because I'm actually expertising my skills. So this year I decided I want to learn more skills, and YouTube really is a platform that teaches people a lot. So you don't have to enroll now ulipie mahali. You just go on YouTube, search hizi vitu. So that is what I said this year, because I transitioned, I started working from home, and that is one of the things that I said, you know what, because I'm at home right now, that is one of the things that I want to learn. Like I just want to explore and add on my skills. Okay, so baking was one of it, and I really needed to get a baking tray, and I'm out of words, guys. I'm out of words. This tray is heavy, XUK, very very heavy. It's huge. Hata mpaka sasa najiuliza na venye mimi baking keki ndogo. Like it's always not that big because I'm still learning, but anyway, hata nikiwa na wageni I can still bake for them using this because it's voluminous. Yeah, so those are my purchases, guys, and I'm so happy with them. I've purchased a lot of things, guys. Kwanza toys for my sons, and when they get here, hizo vitu ni mali, honestly, and the price is, I think hizo vitu zenye zinauzwa maybe TikTok, maybe they are underrated, I can say. Yeah, because the products are quite good. Yenye hata huku nje ukienda kubuy, by the way, it's very expensive compared to the prices pale TikTok. So I'd recommend, yeah. So let me bake.
By the poolside, such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on feet. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open bottles on and on and on and on and caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Hey, 'cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a do to you. Anything I say will come off if it's wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my
So guys, our cake is ready and so sweet. So good.